Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make frozen yogurt. All the ingredients of this recipe I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. Place 350 grams of natural yogurt, 300 milliliters of double cream, 75 grams of caster sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and beat together until smooth. Transfer to an ice cream maker. And churn. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!